Step 4. Showcase the property. With the furniture and decor in place, it's time to showcase the property. A professional home stager will carefully arrange each room to highlight its best features, such as a fireplace or a stunning view. They'll also create flow throughout the space, making it easy for potential buyers to imagine themselves living there. Step 5. Photograph and market the property. Once the staging is complete, it's time to photograph and market the property. A professional photographer will capture high-quality images that showcase the space in its best light. These images can then be used in online listings, brochures, and other marketing materials to attract potential buyers. By following these steps, you can transform your vacant property into a warm and inviting home sweet home that will appeal to a wide range of buyers. With the help of a professional home stager, you can make your property stand out in a crowded market and sell for top dollar.